Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn daily use English sentences for office and work.
Hello, Alex. Hi, everyone. That's right. This lesson is perfect for beginners, office workers, and anyone who wants to speak English confidently at the workplace.
If you feel nervous speaking English in meetings, talking to colleagues, or communicating with your boss, this video is for you.
Stay with us till the end, because these sentences are practical, simple, and used every single day in offices around the world.
Let's start with basic greetings used in offices.
These sentences help you sound polite and professional from the moment you walk in. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Nice to see you again.
Using polite greetings creates a positive impression and builds good professional relationships.
Now let's talk about sentences you use when starting your workday. Daily work sentences. I'm starting my tasks now. Let me check my emails first. I'll review today's schedule. I have a busy day ahead. I'll get started right away.
These sentences are simple but very common in office conversations. Communication with coworkers is very important.
Yes, and polite language makes teamwork easier. Useful sentences. Can you help me with this task? Let's work on this together. I really appreciate your help. Please let me know if you need anything. Thanks for your support. Many people hesitate to ask for help in English.
But asking politely is a professional skill. Could you please explain this to me? I'm not sure about this part. Can you guide me through this process? I'd appreciate your advice. Meetings are where many people feel most nervous.
So let's fix that. Before the meeting will start in 5 minutes. Let's review the agenda. Please take your seats. During the meeting, I'd like to add something here. May I share my opinion? That's a great point. I agree with you. I see your point, but I think differently. After the meeting, thanks for your time. Let's follow up on this. I'll send a summary email. Talking to your boss requires respectful language. Professional sentences. May I have a moment, please? I wanted to discuss this with you. Please let me know your feedback. I'll complete this by today. Thank you for your guidance.
Politeness and clarity are key here. Office English is not only spoken, it's also written.
Exactly. Let's look at email language. Email opening lines. I hope you are doing well. I'm writing to inform you about. This email is regarding email closing lines. Please let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to your response. Thank you for your time and consideration. You often need to update others about your work. Progress sentences. I'm working on it right now. The task is almost finished. I'll update you soon. There's a slight delay. Everything is on schedule.
Problems happen in every job.
The key is to communicate calmly. Problem-solving sentences. There seems to be an issue. Let's find a solution. I'll look into it. We need to fix this quickly. Thanks for your patience.
Remote work is common now. Phone and online sentences. Can you hear me clearly? You're on mute. Let's schedule a call. I'll share my screen. The connection is unstable.
Talking about time is very important in offices. Sentences. The deadline is tomorrow. I'll finish this by noon. We need more time. Let's set a new deadline.
Politeness shows professionalism. Polite phrases. Please, thank you. Excuse me. Sorry for the inconvenience. I appreciate it.
Now, let's end the day politely. Sentences. I'll continue this tomorrow. Let's pick this up later. Have a great evening. See you tomorrow.
Remember, English is a skill, not a talent.
You improve by using it daily.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Don't wait to speak perfect English.
Speak clear English,
Practice daily.
and your confidence will grow. Thanks for watching this lesson on daily use English sentences for office and work.
If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to English Vibes channel.
Comment below. I will speak English confidently at work.
See you in the next lesson.